Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check network speed in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check the internet speed, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here you have to search for a website which is speed test. And once you have searched, just open the first website here. Now on this page, you can easily install the application of this website by tapping on this download on the app store, or you can continue with web. So I'm going to select try the app here and it will be open in your app store and you can easily install the app from here, or you can also use website to check your internet speed. So just tap on the continue the web. Now tap on this go option and it will start testing your internet speed. You just have to tap on allow, and after that it will tell you about your internet speed in a few seconds. So once it's completely checked, it will show you the results. It might tell you ping and download speed. It will tell you the upload speed also in your app section. So in this way, you can easily check internet speed in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.